I want to show you how you play with the lotto boards. So you can set the options first by ticking the box before you play the lotto. So I've done that. Let's click on play lotto. And now this brings up the screen. You can have a minimum of 4 squares on your lotto board up to a maximum of 9 squares. Even if you have 4, you don't actually have to have 4 pictures. You could just have 2 to start with. Because what you want to do is keep the students succeeding and making it simple enough for them to be able to succeed before you raise the level of difficulty. So on the lotto board, do you want the picture or do you want the word? Let's put the picture on our lotto board. And then what do you want to match it with? To start with, you could match picture to picture like that. Or in this case, I'm going to match word to picture, but you have a choice. And again, do you want them to appear in alphabetical order or list order or random order? I'm going to have random order. Then when the lotto is completed, you've got some different incentives, I guess, that can come up. Or if you want, you could have a video of your own that you could take or use, so that you want to put in something that's going to really make the student want to complete the task. So that's how you set up the options. So we'll hit the tick button and here's our set. Now if you've got touch screen, it's just dragging the words over. If they get it wrong, the word just bounces back. So here we go.
Tortoise.
If they get it right, it puts it next to the picture and it says the word.
Skink. Sea lion.
Well done!
So that's how you do it. If we were to do it again this time, go in, and this time I'm going to uncheck the well done, the clown animation, and we'll just have a thumbs up, make it nice and quiet. Here we go. So again,
sea lion.
just drag the words on.
Skink. Tortoise.
Of course, you can print out any of those lotto sets as well if you want to. So that's how you use the lotto option.